Hello students, today you're going to take vocabulary video notes on some volcano terms as we continue learning about volcanoes. These are the ones where you create an original sentence and then you draw the picture. Okay, let's begin. Number one. For number one, caldera. A caldera is when the top of a volcano collapses into the magma chamber and it makes this depression or hole or opening here. Its formation works something like this. So here's, let's say, a composite volcano, and you see there's a lot of vents with a main vent here and a summit crater here. And then you see that as time goes by and it keeps erupting, there's some eruptions, eventually it can blow off its whole top. And then it has like a dip or a depression here. And then sometimes it fills up with water and becomes lakes. One of the biggest calderas on Earth, Yellowstone National Park, has a lot of hot springs and water that shoots up called geysers because it's actually one massive caldera. And it can erupt again even without its top. So calderas can erupt, but they're usually volcanoes that have lost their tops. All right, let me go back to this right here. All right, go ahead and make your original sentence. I'll help you with the first one. I didn't type it up, but if you're listening, you can just copy the sentence down. You can write, a caldera can lead to hot springs. So again, a caldera can lead to hot springs or geysers. Okay, once you're done, and if the video is going too fast, pause it and rewind it. Go ahead and draw this. Take a minute to draw that. Moving on. For number two, write hotspots. Hotspots are when volcanoes form away from tectonic plate boundaries. So the Hawaiian volcanoes, most of them are created by hotspot volcanism. So what that means is that if you look over here, these are the Hawaiian Islands. It's actually not being made at a divergent or a convergent or a transform boundary, but the crust might be thinner here. It's kind of a mystery exactly why, but the theory is that the crust is thinner. And as the tectonic plate moves around, the magma plume doesn't really move, but as the land moves around, sometimes the volcanoes form, and the islands have shown that there's a direction of the tectonic plate moving in that direction. So the big idea is that hotspots are when volcanoes form away from plate boundaries. Go ahead and create your original sentence for that one. I'll wait a minute. And the last idea is silica. Aside from water making magma more explosive, silica can do this as well. Silica looks like this. It's a mineral, and it's all over our Earth, but in some places there's just more of it. And this mineral is very sticky when it gets heated and can make the magma more explosive. Go ahead and draw this picture as best as you can. Make sure you have the other ones as well, and then come up with your original sentence. When you're done, you don't need a summary or advanced question. Just move on to the next step. Have a good day.